Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a Adobe Acrobat clone that I developed, which is actually a PDF editor directly in the browser, which allow you to annotate or highlight any sections of your PDF document and edit those sections. So I'm running this application on localhost. As you can see, it's developed inside React.js, and this is actually the interface of the application. It's similar to Adobe Acrobat. It's a fully completely offline browser-based editor. So here you first of all will select your PDF file, whichever PDF file you want to edit. Once you select the PDF file, all the pages will be loaded. So as you can see, for example, in this PDF file, there are two pages. So both the pages are rendered. So this is, you can read your PDF documents as well. Now you also have basic controls such as zoom in, zoom out, all these controls. Then apart from that, we have controls similar to Adobe Acrobat. We can add text, images, we can annotate. Let me show you one by one. So once you click the text button, you will be able to control the size by using this slider and just add something here. You can even change the color of the text as well. Now you can basically write once again like this. Once you make the changes, you can go to the next page. So here you basically can annotate something by using the draw tool. Now you can draw something like this, annotate something, highlight something right here. We also have option to add different kinds of shapes: oval shape, circle shape, check shape, cross shape. Then we also have the option to actually add image. So once you click the option to add image, you basically will select your image. So basically you can place wherever you want to place your image. You can even adjust the size as well. So it's really easy, guys. I developed this application in React.js. All the source code I've given in the description of the video. You can directly purchase the full source code. So once you purchase it, you will automatically get a zip file from Google Drive automatically. So this is the full directory structure of this project here. Each and every code is divided into the TypeScript file here. Each and every component is divided, as you can see. And if I show you the package.json file, we are using React here, the latest version, and we are also using PDF-LIB and React-PDF. These are the two external libraries that we are using: PDF-LIB, which is a JavaScript PDF based generation library, and also React PDF, PDF-JS-dist as well we are using. So these three external libraries that we are using, which are completely open source. So once you are happy making those changes, we have this button available to us, save PDF. You basically can save your modified PDF. So it will actually have all the changes that you have done, like adding text, highlighting text, adding images. All those changes will be reflected back in the output file here. So once you come to the application, it's a single page application. All the processing directly happens in the browser. So you just need to select your PDF file, whichever PDF file that you are editing. After you select that PDF file, you can even read that PDF file as well by using this PDF viewer. And at the same time, you can also make changes similar to Adobe Acrobat. You can annotate something using this color picker. You can actually change the to any color. For example, I want to change to this color, so you can just see. You can navigate to the next page, highlight something again. You can use the text tool to add the text, enter it, and then the text will be placed again. You can add multiple text, just click it, and then that text will be added. So this is a full demo that I'm showing you guys, the application. If you are interested, you can directly purchase it. For adding the image, you can actually place it using your mouse, adjust the size. And then we also have the tool right here, to this tool, which actually will hide something, redact tool, eraser tool. So if you want to erase something from the PDF document, you can place it, and now everything is now hidden. So you can't see anything right here. So now if you want to hide something, you can use this tool. Just you basically can hide something. After that, you can click the save PDF button. So I've given the link. You can directly purchase the full source code of this project to actually edit your PDF files directly in the browser. It's coded inside React. PDF-LIB, we are using React PDF, PDF-JS-dist. These are the libraries that we are using. It's a full project. It's coded inside TypeScript. So once you get the source code, you will be able to modify the source code or add additional features on top of it as well. So this is a complete React project. So I've given the link. You can directly purchase the full source code.